How are desiccant breathers installed, and what do I have to take into account? The desiccant breathers are installed on top of the reservoir, at the highest point. The image shows the installation of a typical reservoir application, with the two desiccant breathers, which are installed in parallel in this case. One is set on an extension piece, so that it has a greater distance to the reservoir, and it also has an integrated oil demister that additionally separates the oil mist in the tube. In addition to being at the highest point, is it also important to install it vertically, right? Yes, vertical installation should always be used to ensure reliable functioning. And which accessories are available for installing desiccant breathers? We offer a large range of accessories in the STAUFF Desiccant Breather range. Today we are showing you the new SDBL3 series and the matching accessories. I'll get back to that in a minute. Our SDB series, as well as the SDBL and SVDB series, can be installed on top of a reservoir with a standard hole pattern using adapter plates. This adapter plate offers the option of installing an FM or FME clogging indicator. The FME clogging indicator is the electronic version. These clogging indicators can be used to monitor the status of the air filter element at the top end of the assembly. For the SDB series, we have the TBA-OD, for example. That is our reservoir breather adapter for oil demisters. This is normally screwed in between the adapter plate and the breather, or directly underneath the breather. For applications involving oil mist, the oil mist and the air coming out of the tank pass through this. This part contains a device where the oil mist condensates and then drains to the bottom. The surface is ribbed to increase the surface area. This allows air coming from outside to cool down the complete unit a little while also providing additional condensation of the oil mist. We offer additional extensive accessories for the SDBL series. When developing the accessories, we made sure that all accessories can be screwed in fully, so as not to extend the length of the part. Here, for example, we have a valve. That is our quick exhaust. If this is installed here, it allows for the air flowing out of the reservoir to bypass the desiccant breather. This means that the outflowing air is guided out of the reservoir before the desiccant and any moisture coming from the reservoir can no longer contaminate the material. This increases the service life of the entire unit. Here, we also have a screw-in valve that does not increase the length, which is actually a new feature for this type of breather. This gives me the option to ensure preloading of the reservoir, which is required for some pump types. This function is usually ensured with standard breathers, and in this case, also in combination with a desiccant breather. In addition, we can of course supply a variety of different adapters for adapting to different threads. And we have this preload valve, which we're using for the SDB series here, in a separate housing for screwing underneath the SDB. For the new SDBL series, we have also created the option of generating a simple oil mist separation with a wire mesh. Here it is in a housing. This one is for the smaller series. It is simply pushed into the housing from underneath. The installed threaded adapter then reliably prevents the mesh from dropping back into the tank.